Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Shakur and today we are going to solve a question about two wooden planks that are joined by a dry mortise. Let's read the question. Problem 1.16. Two wooden planks, each a half an inch thick and 9-inch wide, are joined by the dry mortise joint shown. Knowing that the wood use shears of along its grain when the average shearing stress reaches 1.2 kc. Determine the magnitude P of the axial load that will cause the joint to fail. Let's write the basic formula we have for shear stress. Shear stress is equal force or load divided by area. And here our area is this part, and according to the figure we have here 5 divided by 8 inch, and here is equal a half an inch according to this part, and area is equal 1 divided by 2 multiplied 5 divided by 8 inch. It's equal 5 divided by 16 square inch, which is approximately equal 0.3125. And also when we have 1 to F, it's equal shear stress multiplied by area, and we have shear stress here 1.2 kc, and according to the formula we have here, force it's equal 0.2 kc multiplied by 1.2 kc multiplied by 0.3125, which is equal 0.375 kips. And if we look at the structure and figure we have, for P we have 6 force. It's this blue array. I draw it F, 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 and it means P is equal 6 F, which is equal 6 multiplied 0.375 kips equal 2.25 kips. That's it. Easy question.